how to fix Zarchiver access denied problem. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for Zarchiver. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Move into apps. Head over to the application Zarchiver. Click on storage and cache. Right here, clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. Now the next thing you want to do is to go back and tap on Force Stop, and then click on OK. Once it has been done, but if you are still facing this issue, then what you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Well, reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Zarchiver access denied error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.